Different types of thermometers in daily use. So let's quickly recap what is a thermometer. A thermometer is an instrument which measures and indicates temperature, which has a bulb containing mercury which extends along the tube as it expands. But in digital thermometer it is not same. In digital thermometer it has a bulb but which do not contain mercury and it does not extend along the tube. So there are three different types of thermometers: clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer, and digital thermometer. So this is the clinical thermometer. This one is clinical thermometer. This is the laboratory thermometer, and this is the digital thermometer. So their difference is reading. First difference is reading. So this clinical thermometer read temperature from 32 degree to 42 degree centigrade. Laboratory thermometer read temperature from -10 degrees centigrade to 110 degrees centigrade, and the digital thermometer read temperature from 31 degree 31.6 degree to 42.2 degrees centigrade. But in the laboratory digital thermometer it uh, it reads very big readings. So our next in a wide range. So our next difference is the difference in structure. So this clinical thermometer is different from the laboratory thermometer because it has a kink which do not it has a kink which do not allow the mercury level to fall after we take out it from our body to show the reading. But in a laboratory thermometer we have to see the reading when it is dipped inside the sample. If we take out it from the sample, the reading will fall down, the mercury level will fall down. So it does not have a kink. The laboratory thermometer does not have a kink. And the digital thermometer is totally different from these two. It reads temperature in a LCD screen. It shows temperature in a LCD screen. So now how to read a laboratory thermometer. So you will see
In this activity,
I will
I
show
will
how
show
to
how
read
to
a
read a
thermometer.
thermometer.
I have
So I
taken
have
here
taken
a
here a
laboratory
laboratory
thermometer.
thermometer.
It can
It can
measure
measure
temperature from
temperature
minus
from
10
minus
degree to
10 degree to
110 degree.
110 degree.
And this is
And
the
this is the
bulb,
bulb,
mercury bulb of
mercury
the
bulb of the
thermometer.
thermometer.
And the
And the
silver
silver
like
like
line
line
is called
is
the
called the
mercury column.
mercury column.
So these
So these
markings,
markings,
there are many
there are many
markings, big
markings
and
big
small.
and small.
The big
So the big
markings
markings
present 10
present
degree.
10 degree,
And between them
and
there are
between them
small
there are small
markings of 10
markings of
divisions
10 divisions
between
between
two
two
big
big
markings.
markings.
This
This
small
small
divisions,
divisions, each small division
represent 1
represent 1
degree
degree
centigrade.
centigrade.
So now how to read a clinical thermometer. So the first step is to wash the thermometer with a antiseptic solution. You have to wash it with an antiseptic solution. And now holding it firmly, giving it a few jerks. This will bring the level of mercury down below 35 degrees centigrade because it has a kink which does not allow the mercury to come out automatically. We have to give it a jerk because the kink does not allow the mercury level to go down. And you must ensure that the mercury level will be below 35 degree before measuring the temperature. Now place the bulb of the thermometer in your armpit or under the tongue and wait for a minute. And then take out the thermometer and note the reading, keeping the level of mercury along the line of sight. The temperature is with its unit degree centigrade depend on the clinical thermometer you buy. Some clinical thermometers show reading on degree centigrade and some show degree Fahrenheit. Now, how to read a digital thermometer? So, a digital thermometer, I've said earlier that a digital thermometer reading about 31.6 degree to 42.2 degree centigrade. So, to read a digital thermometer reading, we put the end of the thermometer in the center of our armpit and bringing the arm down close to the side and hold the thermometer tightly in place until it beeps. A sound will make beep sound. And then remove the thermometer and see the reading on the LCD screen. The reading will be in degree centigrade or degree Fahrenheit. This is how a digital thermometer looks. Thank you.